Over 100 super-duper lucky people made up of stockholders, investors, and partners recently got a chance to see the upcoming FX Super One, a mass-market electric AI multi-purpose vehicle, EAI-MPV, during a private preview and co-creation event. The FX Super One features the FF Super EAI FAC front AI communication ecosystem, which enables the vehicle to perceive and express emotions, and the FFAI Embodied Intelligence AI Agent 6x4 architecture built on pure vision and end-to-end VLA and world model. These technologies mark a significant leap in the AI EV era, allowing EAI EVs to become truly intelligent. The vehicle will be available with 2 powertrains, battery electric and Air, AI hybrid extended range. The FX Super One prioritizes passenger comfort with a spacious, meticulously crafted interior featuring high-end materials and advanced technology, including spacious seating, ambient lighting, and premium entertainment systems. Faraday Future plans to launch the FX Super One on July 17th in Los Angeles, with a global product launch event that will be open to audiences worldwide. The event will also mark the start of the B2C paid pre-order campaign, inviting users to become early adopters and co-creators of the vehicle. The company has already received significant interest in the FX Super One, with total B2B deposits reaching 4,000 units across 4 key sectors: FFPAR partners, rental car companies, live commerce MCN agencies, and real estate brokerages. Production of the FX Super One is targeted to begin by the end of 2025 at Faraday Future's manufacturing facility in Hanford, California. Then, the existing FF91 model got a big refresh with FFAI 2.0, a significant software update representing the biggest AI leap yet, built with OpenAI. This update delivers a major architectural overhaul, re-engineering FFAI from the inside out and introducing a new class of intelligent experiences. FFAI 2.0 enables true natural voice interactions, extends LLM intelligence across core and car systems, and allows users to express themselves in over 50 languages with unprecedented freedom. In fact, it's possible to switch languages instantly during a session, with support for languages like English, Chinese, Arabic, and Hindi. True natural language understanding means it understands user intent, not just keywords, allowing for complex commands like, "It's so hot, but I don't want to use AC." On top of that, change commands on the fly handles corrections and mid-sentence changes, such as change temp to 72. Actually, 69. No, 68. So all you indecisive people can make your micro-adjustments without any misunderstanding. Even better, compound commands handles multiple actions in one go, like open windows, set temp, play music, navigate. The feature multi-turn contextual memory remembers previous context, following multi-step conversations. And thanks to natural AI voice, everything sounds human, not robotic, with instant responses thanks to a speech-to-speech model. Then to be inhumanly fast, real-time AI web search answers with up-to-date online information. But don't worry if this seems all too overwhelming, because on-demand user manual support will provide step-by-step help for vehicle features. The FFAI 2.0 system is scheduled to be available on the FF91 via an upcoming OTA update, with a planned rollout for the FX line in the future. This technology could make Faraday Future the first automotive company in North America to offer this level of AI functionality. According to YT Jia, FF founder and global co-CEO, FFAI 2.0 brings to life the kind of human-machine interface customers have long imagined and marks the beginning of a new era in intelligent mobility experiences. This is all made possible by a system that features a multi-agent AI architecture that seamlessly orchestrates 4 AI capabilities: OpenAI-powered LLMs for conversational understanding, real-time AI web search agents for timely knowledge, RAG, agents for context-specific support, and a proprietary arbitration model. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.